Are you looking to make money online, but you're just confused and frustrated and trying to figure it all out? My name is George Escola, and I'd like to introduce you to a simple step-by-step process that will lead you through learning how to be successful online. And with this process called the Profit Boosting Bootcamp, you can go step by step, video lesson by video lesson, and it'll eliminate the confusion and the overwhelm and teach you how to get started in the right vein. It also comes with some free one-on-one coaching. An expert coach will guide you on your way so that you can get to being profitable online even quicker. And so I'm going to leave a link below. It'll take you to a video where the founder of this program, Misha Wilson, will teach you more about what it's all about and give you an opportunity to participate if you find that it's the right thing for you. So click on the link below, go watch the video, and then you can decide if it's right for you. And if it is, I'd love to see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. Bye now.